This is a super short video on how you can use Ruskin's automatic tasks to quickly set up your loggers with the exact same sampling regime very quickly just by plugging them in. So let's start with, I'm just going to plug in one logger now, and I'm going to set it up. So here we go. I want to sample at 1 minute. So I'll change that. I want UTC time, and I'm going to start the sampling in December. 9:15 sounds like a good time to start, and I'll enable. Okay, so now if I turn on the automatic task of auto download and auto deploy, what will happen is the next time I plug in an instrument, which you'll see now, it will automatically download the data from this logger and will set up the logger exactly the same as the last one. So plug that in. This is a separate logger, a different one from the first. And here you can see that it's enabled exactly the same way as the previous one. So continuous 1 minute sampling, December 6, 9:15. And if you look over here to the right, it automatically downloaded the RSK file that was on the logger, which is really